Okay. Hello, my name is Dr. One of the physicians in this clinic. How could I address you?
My name is Mr. Johnson.
Oh, good to meet you, Mr. Johnson. What seems to be the problem?
Well, the problem, doctor, I think you've got my urine sample. Is I think it's a urine infection again, and I'm really fed up with it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's
What is
hard.
the result now?
Let me see. Yes, the report shows that you have another urinary tract infection. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Uh,
as doctor, we have to do something about this. It's really I can't actually tolerate this. It keeps
mm,
coming back. As soon as
yeah.
you stop the antibiotics, it starts again after a couple of days.
Yeah, I'm so sorry to hear that, Mr. Johnson. I can imagine how annoying it could be.
It is,
Yeah,
yes.
I reassure you that we would help you in this way. Okay, Mr. Johnson, before we go further, is it okay if I ask you some question?
Yes, sure, go ahead.
Okay, could you tell me more about your lifestyle, your diet, your exercises, and these things?
Well, my diet is good actually. I eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables. I drink about 2 glasses of water and 2 cups of coffee every day.
Mhm.
And yeah, what else would you like me to tell you? Uh,
Okay. And what about hygiene after passing water? Do you have a good hygiene after that?
of course, yes, of course.
Good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Okay, Mr. Johnson. Is there anything that you want to add for me?
and it's just yeah, I exercise as well. I walk 30 minutes every day. And yes, I'm very careful with my hygiene and hand washing and everything. Yes.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, I congratulate you about your healthy lifestyle. It's great.
Thank you.
And this good hygiene will help us a lot in this problem that you have. But let me emphasize an important factor, and it's about double voiding. Do you know anything about it?
No.
Mr. Johnson, let me explain it to you.
Okay.
By double voiding, it means that after passing urine, I mean emptying your bladder, please wait a moment and then try to come to input it again. It helps you that then any there won't be any urine in your urine passage, and then the bacteria couldn't grow anymore, and it will help a lot. Do you think you can do it?
Okay. Yes, it sounds like possible. Okay. And
Yeah,
then so and does that help with this urine infection? What can I do for this?
okay. I can it's understandable how it's important for you, and we will help you by the other option, and it's treating you with antibiotics. You
Okay.
know, beside these things that we highlighted, antibiotics are the other option that we will that help you that we will help you a lot. You
Okay.
know, and I suggest you to start antibiotics for treatment, and also we will have another dose of antibiotic for preventing from another infection. And I will
Preventing.
explain you. Yeah,
Yeah.
preventing a lot. Yeah.
Could we do that? And what is it like? I mean, uh,
Mhm.
does this mean that it's an injection or something?
No, no, not at all. Only there is a tablet named not nitrofurantoin. It's an antibiotic, and it has a very little side effects. And you can only take one tablet a day to prevent from another urine infection. How
Uh,
does it sound?
okay, right. And
Yeah.
how long for? How long should I take antibiotics?
Uh, I think 3 months will help you a lot, and then I will assess your situation, and then we will, decide for another course if it's
Okay,
necessary or not.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Mm-hmm. Mr. Johnson, I reassure you by, if you follow my advices and have this course of prevention of antibiotics, it will help you a lot. Do you have any other question?
No, that's it. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Okay.